Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm unboxing an Etsy purchase from Autumn Sky Art. I'm trying not to hurt the delicate contents. As you can see, I'm having a hard time. It's funny to me. Okay, alright. So basically, Autumn Sky Art is a beautiful art creation. I believe she is the one who did the Sacred Rebels deck. And I got this artwork of Mary Magdalene and Jesus from her. So very, very much in love with these arts. I hope to get a big one at some point to put in my entryway. And for those of you who watch the thing, you know why. I'm just putting that back where it goes because I don't want to mess it up. But anyways, she has inspiration card deck. And so I wanted to get that. This is her card. You have probably, hold on. Whew, right. This is her card. You have probably seen her art. Okay, so the main deck is in this satin bag. So I bought the deck and 2 add-ons. And so one side is words and one side is art. This one is a woman and an owl. And it says guidance. An older woman and clarity. A 3-faced man. Generosity. A beautiful woman. Divine intervention. Yes, please. Another woman with snakes. Authenticity. Integration. Intimacy. This one's beautiful. From the Ashes. I love this one too. Levity. Hope. Prayer. Empathy. Shadow work. Liberation. Adventure. This one's just sumptuous. Look at that. Gratitude. Surrender. Patience. Sanctuary. Birth, death, and rebirth. Ooh, this one's really pretty. Transformation. Compassion. Kindness. Healing. Inner peace. Connection. Contemplation. Focus. Perfection. Magic. I love that. Emotion. This one's beautiful too. Non-attachment. I love these 3 women with their hair braided together. Loyalty. Pregnant mama. Fertility. It's an interesting one. Passion. Devotion. Fierce love. Opening. I love this one too. Pleasure. This is like the cover of the Sacred Rebels deck if I'm not mistaken. Lineage. Purity. Awakening. Growth, Wonder. So those are the original cards, and I did buy, oh, I got a sticker here. This is one of her newer ones. Very cool. Very, very cool. I love that. Thank you very much. And then I bought 2 expansion packs so that I would have the whole collection. Which, by the way, she painted all of these, and they're big paintings. So I think that I accidentally bought extras. Yeah, all of these are extras. Oops. I offer this artwork as a mirror. Within these visions, may you recognize your own sacred heart, your timeless beauty, your universal divinity, and the innate grace that dwells in every facet of your experience. May you live freely. May you be inspired. Okay, I accidentally got a whole, an expansion pack that I didn't need, but that's okay. This is the expansion pack that I wanted. I made a boo-boo, but not entirely unpleasant. So this one, Equanimity. I'm just going to put them in. Oh, look at her, so beautiful. Divine Feminine. I don't know if you noticed, but there's the baby in the roses. Confidence. Eldership. Strength. Very pretty. Rite of Passage. True North. Oh, my favorite. Divine Masculine. Vulnerability. Beautiful. Awareness. Spaciousness. So I absolutely love it. I'm super pleased. It is very, very beautiful to me. I love her artwork. I'm going to leave a link in the description below, sharing where you can check her out and you know, look at what she has, and I follow her on Instagram, so that, oh, here's another sticker. It says, "You're doing great." Thank you. It has been quite an effort, let me tell you what, with everything going on, but I am very, very pleased and super excited and happy that I get to share this unboxing with you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope to catch up with you soon. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.